I know it's been some time since my last video, so we decided to make a Christmas special. So this is a deer that I got last Christmas at my uncle's. A nice 8-point. So this is some deer tenderloin, and we're gonna show you how to prepare it for a good.
Okay, so remember that empty pan that we put in the oven? So we got it really hot. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna get this out. Some garlic. And some rosemary. Okay, now, so you're gonna want to stir up your stuff. Then after it's kind of stirred, you can put both steaks in there, both pieces of meat. So you're gonna do 2 minutes on each side while basting it with your butter.
As you can see, this is our finished product with the Brussels sprouts, the tenderloin, and the mushrooms. If you want to know how to cook the mushrooms, it's in a previous video that I made. But yeah.